And then 1, 2, 3.
So she was found at the surface of the water, and that's when FWC officers took her on their boat so that she could be taken to our sea turtle hospital. So this subadult female green sea turtle most likely was coming up for air when a boat was coming right at her, and she was unable to dive fast enough to avoid collision with the boat, and the propeller has caused significant damage to the top of her shell. She's got about 4 big lacerations in her shell, and some of them are pretty extensive that have kind of invaded into the area where her lungs are. She was bright and alert. She's also in great body condition. We got some basic blood work on her. We treated her wounds with some bandages, started her on some treatments to give her supportive care. Basically going to do some further studies with her. We need to do some imaging of her shell and of her spine to see how extensive the damage is. And she's going to need surgical debridement of her wounds so that we can try to get her shell to grow back in a normal position. So we're really concerned about the wounds that she has. She also is not able to use her back flippers very well because this injury does affect part of her spinal column. So we have been treating her with pain medications and supportive care and doing wound daily bandage changes.
1, 2, 3.
And we've been housing her in a very shallow tank with seawater so that she can submerge and feel comfortable in the water, but then also that she's able to get up and surface and breathe normally.
A little deeper because her head's not all the way under. We'll put it with some more.
Unfortunately, sea turtles do try to share the same environment as humans, and especially in areas that are heavily populated like South Florida, they can try to face some dangers like a lot of boat traffic. So these are some of the threats that we try to protect sea turtles from.